This is a video demonstration of the Identify Super Sleuth game in the Sonic Map app by Objective Ed. Super Sleuth players are detectives trying to solve a mystery. Answer 3 questions to receive clues. Can you solve the mystery? Merging the previous games together, the student has to find shapes located in 5 possible areas around the screen, successfully trace to identify the shapes, and then answer the questions. So my iPad is on the Shapester screen, and I have the options of Start Game and Quit Game. I'm going to select Start Game.
Hi there. Looks like we've got a mystery on our hands. I need your help to look over some evidence in order to solve the case. Take as long as you want exploring the shapes on screen, and when you're ready to answer some questions, double tap to begin the quiz. The more questions you answer right, the closer we'll get to solving this mystery. Double tap when you're ready to answer some questions.
Okay, I'm going to tap once to start the game.
Here we have our first piece of evidence. There are 2 shapes to identify. Feel free to explore the screen for as long as you'd like. Double tap when you're ready to answer some questions.
All right, so I'm going to look in the 5 areas. We're going to look at the top. I'm dragging my finger. There's nothing along the top. I'm going to come down to the left-hand side. Oh, I hear the fiery sound. That tells me it's red. All right, and I just traced around a circle. Now I'm going to look in the middle. There's the windy sound, which tells me it's green. Going up to the start.
Try placing your finger on the screen before exploring the screen for shapes.
Okay, so I know that that's a rectangle, and there are only 2 shapes on the screen, so I don't have to check the right side or the bottom.
Make sure to check both shapes before beginning the investigation.
I'm going to go ahead and double tap to start.
Which shape is at the center of the screen? Double tap a shape to select it.
So the center of the screen, I'm going to find that center. There it is. That's the green rectangle. I'm going to double tap.
That's right. The rectangle is on the center of the screen. Find a circle. Double tap a shape to select it.
All right, so the circle was on the left-hand side, so I'm going to drag in that direction up. There's
Make
the
sure
red
to check
circle.
all of the shapes before picking an answer.
And double tap.
Great. You found a circle. You're a real super sleuth. Looks like you managed to find a new clue. It seems that our culprit is feathery. Here we have our second piece of evidence. There are 2 shapes to identify.
All right, so I know that my clue was that the culprit is feathery. There are 2 shapes on the screen, so I'm going to start again at the top. I'm dragging my finger across. I didn't find anything. Nothing in the middle. There's that fiery sound. I'm on the left-hand side. I'm going to go to the top of that. It's a guitar sound, which tells me it's a triangle. It's a small angle. So that's a red triangle on the left. Again, nothing in the middle, nothing on the right. I hear something at the bottom. That zippy sound is the yellow. There's the drum for the corners. And this one's a little bit smaller. It's a yellow rectangle at the bottom of the screen that's a little smaller. Since I know there's only 2 shapes here, I'm ready to start my quiz. I'm going to double tap.
Make sure to... Which shape has the most corners? Double tap a shape to select it.
All right, the rectangle has 4 corners. The triangle has 3, so there's the rectangle. I'm going to double tap on it.
That's right, a rectangle has 4 corners. Find a triangle.
Okay,
Double tap a shape to select it.
The triangle was on the left. There it is, double tap.
Great. You found a triangle. This mystery is as good as solved. Looks like you managed to find a new clue. It seems that our culprit likes to eat seeds. Here we have our third piece of evidence. There are 4 shapes to identify.
All right, my clues were the first one had feathers, and the second one was the culprit it likes to eat seeds. Now I know there's 4 things on the screen, so I'm going to start again at the top. Oh, there's something. That's that red, and it's going to be a circle, and it's probably medium size. The left side is going to be the yellow. There is that drum sound, so it's a yellow square, and again it's about medium size. In the middle, oh, I have another red. There's that guitar sound, so it's telling me it's a small angle. It's going to be a triangle. Nothing on the right side. There's the blue watery sound.
Make sure to check all 4 shapes before beginning the investigation.
There's that little drum sound. And that one seems like it's a rectangle but smaller. So let's go ahead and double tap.
Find a big shape. Double tap a shape to select it.
Okay, so this is the prototype version, and it asked me for a big shape, and I really can't tell right now which one is the big shape. I'm just going to go ahead and select that circle at the top. I think there are 3 medium shapes and 1 smaller
Great.
rectangle.
You found a big shape. Find a red circle. Double
Okay,
tap a shape to select it.
the circle's at the
Make sure
top.
to check all of the shapes before picking an answer.
I'm going to go ahead and select the red circle because I know it's there.
Great. You found a red circle. Find a red circle. Double tap a shape to select it.
All right, there's my red circle again. I'm going to double tap.
Great. You found a red circle. Great work. I couldn't have done this without you. Looks like you managed to find a new clue. It seems that our culprit squawks. That's it. You found all the clues. Now it's time to solve the mystery. Pick the suspect you think is guilty, and remember, we're looking for an animal that is feathery, likes to eat seeds, and squawks. Good luck.
Okay, so in a row in the middle, let's see what's on the
Fish.
left. Is the fish.
Fish, dog,
Dog is in the center.
dog, bird,
The bird,
Bird.
that's going to be my culprit,
Bird.
so I'm going to go ahead and select him.
bird. You pick the bird. You did it. You solved the mystery of the stolen string. Looks like Bird was using it to make a nest. Great job, detective. Swipe, you answered.